Are you someone who loves creating detailed plans and schedules? Do you thrive on organizing tasks, managing timelines, and ensuring projects stay on track? If so, a career as a project planning engineer could be the perfect fit for you. What is a project planning engineer? As a project planning engineer, you'll be responsible for developing comprehensive project plans, schedules, and budgets. This involves collaborating closely with project managers, engineers, and stakeholders to understand project requirements, identify potential risks, and create realistic timelines. Your primary responsibilities will include defining project scope, activities, and deliverables, creating detailed project schedules using tools like Microsoft Project or Primavera, estimating resource requirements, and developing cost estimates, monitoring project progress and updating plans as needed, preparing project reports and presenting updates to stakeholders. Education and skills required. Bachelor's degree in engineering, construction management, project management, or a related technical field. Skills. Strong analytical and quantitative skills. Organizational skills and attention to detail. Experience with project management software, Microsoft Project, Primavera, Oracle Primavera. Effective communication skills, written and verbal. Problem solving and critical thinking abilities. Getting started. Recommended steps. Pursue a relevant degree and focus on developing analytical, quantitative, and problem-solving skills. Gain practical experience through internships, co-op programs, or part-time jobs in project planning and scheduling. Develop proficiency in project management software and consider earning certifications. Enhance communication skills through courses or workshops in technical writing, public speaking, and interpersonal communication. Network and seek mentorship from experienced project planning professionals. Consider certifications like the Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, or Project Management Professional, PMP, from the Project Management Institute, PMI. Stay up to date with new tools, methodologies, and best practices in the field. Conclusion. By combining the right educational background, technical skills, and personal attributes, you can position yourself as a strong candidate for an entry-level project planning engineer role and lay the foundation for a rewarding career in project management.